All right, let's take a look at this second sheet for the review. In the first section, they give you a little box. It's like a table, and you're going to fill things in. So they're kind of stepping you to the point where you can almost do this by yourself. So I'm going to blow this up for a second so you can take a better look at what's going on. They're kind of all kind of work the same, right? What you want to do is you want to substitute 0 in for the x value in this equation to get your y, and then you get your coordinates. So for this one, I would write 3 times 0 plus 5. My answer for this goes away, right? This is 5. I'm sorry. So my coordinates for the first one is 0, 5. Now I'm going to put 1 in for x. So I go 3 times 1 plus 5. It's a weird looking 3, but let's do that. The 3 times 1 is 3 plus 5 is 8. So the next one is 1, 8. Next one I put down is 3 times 2, which is 6 plus 5 makes that 11. So you have 2, 11. And the last one is 3 times 3 plus 5, which is 9 plus 5 is 14. So my coordinates are 3, 14. So I'm going to show you how you would graph that. These are the coordinates. Now, keep in mind, I just put this on a piece of graph paper looking thing. So my coordinates 0, 5, 1, 8, 2, 11, and 3, 14. Now here, 0, 5, 1, 8, 2, 11, 3, 14. I indicate on a line my y line and my x line. We call these axes, right? So I have to have the y going up and down, the x going east to west, I guess you might want to say, or horizontally. And I would go ahead and graph it as I see it. So I put my dots in first. So I go 0, but I'm going to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And if I go over 1, I go up 8. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. I go over 2, I'm at 11. 9, 10, 11. And if I go over 3, I'm going 14. 12, 13, 14. So get a series of dots in a row, okay? And then what you're going to do is turn around and drop a line on there, trying to go through all the dots that you see. Like this. That's a little off. I'll try it again. I mean, you may or may not be able to hit it. Oh, I got it that time, okay? Keep in mind this is a line, so it's supposed to go on indefinitely, so you got to put arrowheads on it like that. It's not a segment. It's a line, so you draw arrowheads like this. And I specifically tell everybody that you must label your dots. How I do that, you can put them over to the side so people know what these coordinates are, okay? So that right there is the first section on that, section A on the review part 2. Let's look at section B. I put it on here to kind of show you because of a lack of room. So I'm going to clear this, come down to here. Oh, where is it? Boom. All right. It says, graph each linear function on a separate sheet of paper, make a function table. So I have y equals 2x plus 2. So what I'm going to do is I turn around and I have x equals 2x plus 2. All right. So keep in mind, y equals 2x plus 2. I take the equation, stick it here, put x here, and I'm solving for my y. I'm going to get my coordinates, okay? So first of all, I need to clean out my graph, right? Because I'm going to be doing this on this guy. We don't know what we're going to get yet, so I'm going to make sure I have it all cleaned up. And I'm going to grab my own coordinates. In fact, I only need 3 to make a line. I'm going to put 0, 1, and 2, right? If I put 0 in for this, so it's 2 times 0 makes it 0 plus 2. My y would be 2. My first coordinate is 0, 2. My next one, I'm going to put a 1 in there. 2 times 1 plus 2 makes that 2 plus 2 is 4. So I could coordinates 1, 4. Next one is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So I get the numbers 2, 6. Now I'm going to put it on my graph. Once again, first thing you do is put down a line. And it's not exactly straight, so I have to move that thing. I want it on one of the lines because it looks better. Oh, okay, I could do there. Well, let's undo that. It's not working right. There we go. Undo. I want it to be all by line. There we go. Good enough, right? And I take the other one, I'll put it right here. I indicate my axis. You must do this Great habit to get into. So I'm going to go over 0, which means I don't move in the X. I go up 2, 1, 2. I go over 1. I go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is I go over 2, and I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 3 dots. Okay. I turn around and put a line across that. No, that's wrong. Try to get another one that looks a little better. Oh, okay, that'll work, right? And put arrowheads on it because it is a line that goes on forever. Okay, it's not a line segment, it is a line. And now I got to put my coordinates next to it. It's just what you do, okay? So if I do this correctly, I can put this one would be comma 0, comma 2. Next one is 1, comma 4. And the last one, of course, is being 2, comma 6. All right. And if I grab this, I can shrink it down a little bit so it actually fits the thing with a click. Boom. And that's how you would do that one.